Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number using the fastest and the easiest trick. You can find the solution in seconds. 924 into 322. First step, we will write it vertically here. First step, 4 into 2, 8. So directly we'll write it here, 8. Next step, here, 4 into 2, crisscross method. 8 and 2 into 2 it is 4. Now we'll add these two numbers. 8 plus 4 it is 12. We'll consider only the ones place digit 2. Write it over here 2 and cross out. This one we will take it as a carry forward to the next step. Now the next step it is multiply 2 into 2. It is 4. Till here it is same like how we have done in the 2-digit into 2-digit multiplication. I'll share the link in the description box. You can go through it once if you want. Now from here, little variation is there. Now 9 into 2, 18 and 4 into 3. It is 12. Only in step 3 we are considering 3 steps over here. 3 times we are multiplying, you can observe. Now add all these numbers. 4 plus 18 plus 12, it is 34. To this 34, add the carry forward 1. It is 35. Now we will write only 5 over here. Cross out, and 3 we will take it as a carry forward again. Now next step, here multiply 9 into 2 it is 18 and 3 into 2 it is 6. Add these two numbers. 18 plus 6 is 24. To this 24 add this 3 as carry forward. So it is 27. We'll consider only the ones place digit, that is 7. Write it over here. Cross out, and this 2 we will take it as a carry forward again to the next step. Now here multiply only single step. This is 9 into 3, that is 27. To this 27 add 2, so it will be 29. So 29 directly we will write it over here. It is therefore the product of 924 and 322 is 297528. To make you understand, I have given separately like this step. Once you practice, no need of writing all these steps. Directly you can do the multiplication product. Now let's multiply 736 into 425. We'll write it vertically. First step, 6 5s are 30. Here we consider only the ones place digit. 0 we will write it here and cross out, and this 3 we will take it as a carry forward to the next step. Step 2. Now we'll multiply vertically here, crisscross. 6 into 2 12 and 3 into 5 15. So 12 plus 15 it is 27. To this 27 add this 3. So it is 30. We write only 0 here and cross out 0 here. And 3 we will take it as a carry forward to the next step. Next step, third step, 3 2s are 6. Now diagonally 7 into 5, 35. And here 6 into 4, 24. These three numbers we'll add. 6 plus 35 plus 24, it is 65. To the 65 you add 3. So it is 68. We write here only the ones place digit 8. Cross out, and 6 we will take it as a carry forward. Now next step, here 7 into 2 14 and 3 into 4 12. Add these two numbers. 14 plus 12 is 26. To this 26 add the carry forward 6. It is 32. We'll write only 2 here, cross out, and 3 as carry forward. And the last step, very simple, the 7 and 4 you multiply now. 7 into 4 is 28. To this 28 you add this 3. So 31. So directly you write 31 over here. Therefore the product of 736 and 425 is 312800. It will be very easy if you are practicing it. Till step 3, till 3 into 2 it is the same like 2-digit multiplication, and this last 2 steps only the diagonally last 2 digits you have to multiply, and the last step only 1 digit here, 7 into 4. Now we will multiply 321 into 246 without writing the steps. Once you practice 2 or 3 problems, you can do like this. First write it vertically. First step, 6 into 1. So directly you can write the answer as 6. Next step, crisscross method. 2 6 are 12 and 4 1s are 4. Means 2 6 are 12 plus 4. It is 16. If you are perfect in addition, you can write it directly. If not, we can write it over here. See, 2 6 are 12 and 4 1s are 4. 16. But here we will write only the ones place digit 6. Write it over here 6 and cross out here. And this one we will take it as a carry forward. And the next step now, it is the middle number 2 into 4, 8. This diagonally again 3 6 are 18 and 2 1s are 2. We can write it 2 into 4, 8. 3 6 are 18. 2 1s are 2. When we add all these numbers, we are getting 28. To this 28, we will add the carry forward 1. So 28 plus 1, it is 29. Here we will write it only 9. Write it 9, cross it over here. So 2 we will take it as a carry forward. And the next step it is 3 into 4, 12, 2 into 2, 4. You can write it over here. 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. To this 16 you add the carry forward plus 2. It is 18. Now we will write only 8 over here and cross out here. This one we will take it as a carry forward. And the last step it is 3 into 2. It is 6. So 6 plus this one carry forward 7. So now 7 you can write it over here. Therefore the product of 321 and 246 is 78966. It will be very easy without any carry forward or anything. Once you practice, and if you are very much perfect with the additions, directly you can write only the 16, 29, 18. The final sum whatever we are getting, you can write it. You should be little perfect in additions over here so that you can write the product. Few problems have been given over here. You can practice. Slowly you can do it step by step. By the time you reach D bit, you can master it and you can do it very easily. Once you solve the problems using the method given in the video, you can check the answers. It will be very helpful for you in the competitive exams and it saves your time also. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math and do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.